welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is like attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoy guest guest review rating is 6.8, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, then share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel,